Do you ever look at your watch hour and be like, it's not moving, it's very slow? Or you are struggling with view, so you have thought day and night and wonder, how can I beat the 4,000 watch hour? Don't worry, I have the perfect solution. So sit down and relax yourself. Yeah? Do you know there are only 2 ways to achieve the 4,000 watch hour? Either by posting consistently or by going live. And we all know that not everyone posting every time gets a lot of view. Don't let's lie to ourselves. Let's be sincere with ourselves. Let's be sincere. So let's go to the second one called live stream. And we all know that most of us are shy doing live stream. Like, we're like, oh, let's see live stream. Will people respond? Don't worry. Let me teach you another way. It is called Restream. So in this video, I'm teaching you how to restream the right way. Because many people just restream in the wrong way and they end up getting 0.0 watch hour. So first, go to your browser, either Safari or Chrome or any browser on your phone. But preferable, let's make use of Chrome. Are you seeing it? Type restream.io, or better still, I'll put the link in the description, and it will load. Click on the first one you are seeing there. Then to ask for your email address and password. Are you seeing it? So in case you don't even know your email address and password, click on continue with Google. That is better because it's not able to know their Gmail password and email. So you select the Gmail you want to continue with and click on continue. Then to log in automatically. It can take time, maybe just 1 minute or 2 minutes. It depends on your network. After it's load, click on the 3 icon up so that you can connect your YouTube channel to the Restream.io website. After you click on channels, then click on channels. When you click on that 3 icon, click on channels and press channels. You can also use for other social media like Facebook, Lite, Twitch, Twitter, YouTube, and many more. Then click on YouTube because that's our main reason why we are in this channel. Click on YouTube. Then it says channel or event. Then click on channel. It will take you to the Gmail part. You bring the Gmail you are using for your YouTube channel. Then click on continue. Accept your YouTube account. Then scroll down and press continue. Then to connect automatically, your channel has been added. Then click on. Then next is to restream. Cancel it. Then you are back to the home page. Click on the new and pick Restream Studio. Then let me explain each features for you, but I'll explain it along the line. When it's load, you add your name and you can cover your camera if you want to. Then you press continue. Then you will see live with Restream. You can add title there if you want. It's optional, but I advise you to add the title. So when you do the stream, it will show live with title. Then click on. Then after you add your title there, then you click on new scene. Then when you click on new scene, click on media. You click on scene, then click on media. It will bring new scene. Then click on add source. Then pick local video. But note, it must be a video that does not have song, so you won't have to fight for copyright or you won't be flagged for copyright. Then pick the video you want and click on go live. It will go live, but click on the channel and turn it on, then go live. That is it. Unless I forget, you can loop the video as many times as you want. So after playing, it will repeat itself. So click on the icon up and press loop video. Click on the video. Then you see the 3 icon there. Click on, then press loop video. Then to repeat for as long as you want till you end the live stream. The maximum video you can put on Restream.io is 15 minutes. If you have a gist, like you want to gist with you have a guest, like you want to gist with your guest, you go to the private chat. It will show only for your guest that you want them to see. The audience will not see it. So you can also add music if you want. Then people can join and comment. You see it here. You can also reply like, thank you for joining my live stream, and many more things to say. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Kindly leave a comment in if you have any question, and I will be so glad to. Kindly leave a comment in the comment section, I'll be so glad to answer it if you have any question. See you in my next video. Bye.